Hi, I'm Ben Finkley. I'm a fractional chief marketing officer for home services companies, and I'd like to talk to you right now about building a system for predictable home services leads. In baseball, a batter doesn't win by swinging wildly at every pitch. They have a stance, they watch the pitcher, they understand the count, they have a system. Similarly, Fortune 500 companies don't throw marketing spaghetti at the wall. They build strategic, interconnected ecosystems where every part works together to generate results. For your plumbing or HVAC or any other home service business, this means moving from chaotic reactions to well-defined marketing system that consistently brings the right kind of customers to your door. So how do you build your lead generation machine without a Fortune 500 budget? Well, define your strike zone. That's your ideal customer and your goals. Who are your most profitable customers? What kind of jobs do you want more of? What are your specific revenue and growth targets? Clarity here is the foundation, not mere guessing. So dig into your data. Map the base paths. That's your customer journey. How do potential customers find you right now? What are the touch points from initial search? In other words, emergency plumber near me or backyard deck, to a booked job and a glowing review. Identify the leaks and blockages in this journey. Get the EOS components in order for marketing. So you might have heard of Entrepreneur's Operating System. First, it goes through vision, which is what is the long term for your marketing wins. Maybe like becoming the #1 trusted HVAC company in Springfield, Missouri for high efficiency system installs. Or maybe becoming the #1 roofing company in Charleston, South Carolina for new homes, or whatever it is. Also, what are the people that you need? Do you have the right players in the right positions? Even if it's a small internal team or trusted vendors, do you have the right ones? Can you trust them? And here's a question I like to ask myself. If I knew what I knew now, would I still hire that person or that vendor? Data. What are the key numbers that truly show if your marketing is working? In other words, cost per qualified lead, conversion rate optimization from the website to a booked call. Ditch the vanity metrics. Nobody cares if you show up #1 for a search if that search doesn't generate business for you. So stop trying to rank for stuff that just is not going to produce customers. Also, what are the issues? What are the recurring headaches that you have in your business? You can tackle those through marketing. So if you're constantly struggling to deliver great results for customers with tiny homes, well, you can actually structure your marketing to stop attracting people with tiny homes. So there's lots of things that you can do in your marketing that'll just make the rest of your business run a lot more easily. Process. Document your successful marketing plays so they're repeatable and scalable. And then set your traction, which is to set those quarterly rocks, the 3 to 5 key marketing priorities that will make the biggest impact in your business. Finally, you want to focus on the pitches. So what are the strategic channel selections? You don't need to be everywhere. Just based on your ideal customer, your ideal goals, where does it make sense to have you invest your marketing dollars? Is it SEO and local search? Is it targeted Google ads? A referral program? Yelp? Where is it? We'll figure those things out. So your advantage comes when you hire somebody like me who's a fractional CMO. I'm a coach. I'm an expert coach. And as a fractional CMO, my role is to bring this executive level strategic thinking and system building expertise to your home services business without the overhead of a full-time C-suite hire. We build a machine, get it running smoothly, and ensure it's driving you toward your big picture goals. And remember, at Valachi, we believe in marketing domination for our clients. That's why we work with only one home services company, plumber, HVAC, etc., per city. Once you're with us, your local competitors can't access these same dedicated strategies. So, are you ready to stop whacking the moles? You ready to stop swinging at every pitch and start building a predictable lead generation system? Let's talk.